Now we can extrude. You have to select the views, the profiles which you want to extrude. It has to go in the other direction by a distance of 7. And you say okay. Now the plane which you have created, once you are done with it, I would advise you hide it by unchecking the visibility, so you're able to see what you have produced. Now this signs represents fillets, so I'm going to apply fillets there. It says all fillets 2 radius, so I have 2 there, so I'll just select the edges. So that's the end of the first part. You can save as part 1. You should recall that you should have created your project file, so it's going to be saving the folder where you created your project file. So for the next part, you have to create a new part. So now I'm going to produce this. So I can now extrude. You select the Now I had actually extruded this by 18, but really it should have been 12. So to correct that error, I just double click on extrusion. It goes back to the dialog box, so I can modify this to 12. Then I can proceed with whatever I want to do. So I can hide that sketch. So I have the parts. So I guess yeah, so I can save. I call it part 2. Then for the third part, I go to create a new file, a new part file. So I'm going to create half of that profile. So the diameter here is 5, so you're specifying the radius 5 because I'm going to be using the revolve tool. So that's 12. So the diameter is the radius rather is 6, and then over here the diameter is 16, so the radius will be 8. So done. I can now use revolve. So it has selected the profile automatically. It's telling me to select the axis, so I just select the axis. So I need it full, so I just say okay. So that's that. So I can save, because you have to save all parts before you use them in the assembly. Now, so I can now create an assembly